Yes, Ayan.
My shoes.
Your shoes. No, you don't need shoes. Come here.
I need my shoes.
Ayan.
Okay. I said the car should
Whose car is that?
Yes.
No, I want it.
No, I want it.
It's my car.
It's my car.
No, we're going to share it, right? You share it with your friends, with Olivia
Yeah.
and Jasper
Yeah.
and any other new friends you'll make.
Yeah.
Wow! Is that fun?
Yeah.
The battery's charging right now.
Oh.
Oh my god! You're going too fast. Did you put your seatbelt on? When you get in the car, what do you do first?
Yep.
You put your
Beep,
seat.
beep.
You put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Good job. Did you put the put the keys in the ignition?
Yeah.
Put the keys in the ignition.
Yeah. Oh, you're my purse. Let me get purse, okay?
Where are you going?
I get no purse.
No, you don't need your purse. It's okay.
Okay.
When you're driving, you don't need distractions, okay?
Okay.
No phone while you're driving. Leave the phone in your purse. Wow, I love it. Do you like it, Ayan? Slow, you're too fast. Too fast. You just started the engine.
Yes, I put your pants on.
Okay, put your belt on. All right. Oh, very good. Oh, yes. Then you start the car. Good job. And then you rev it up.
Okay.
Push on the accelerator over there on your foot. Yeah. There you go. Faster, faster. It's not moving
It's not moving.
because it's being charged right now. It needs 24 hours to charge. We'll use it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Chalo. Just leave it now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
We'll play with it tomorrow.
Okay. Big drive. Like that. Okay. Let's go back, okay?
You can't reverse. I don't think you can reverse this thing. You just go in one direction.
Here.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool, man. Oh, pedal bears, man.
Dad?
My God, yeah. Kids nowadays have way too much stuff, exciting stuff available.
Yeah. But I know how to take. Hatters.
After you're done with this car, Ayan, we will give it to somebody who will enjoy it, okay?